and we're gonna play soccer in the rain.
We got Lil Robbie's in the goal.
Yeah. No thanks. Pass on the opportunity.
Go.
I'm waiting, bro.
Go. What a fail.
That was a good shot. Better than you. Holy God.
Dominic, you almost just like broke that. It would have been funny. You would have went like. What a fail. What a
In your face, Lefty!
lefty.
Wow.
He missed it by the wood. Piece of wood.
Bro, what face? Go get there!
Oh! Look at the mark. Look at the mark. Fail again. Fail.
In your face, Lefty! You have to get a goal yet!
Oh my God.
Dominic. Wait, what?
I'm missing.
F you! What face?
Handball. Oh, I messed up.
Come on!
Watch this. I missed. I missed. Done. Thank you.
Get up there.
Hey. One more time. Missed again.
Oh!
Fail.
Everybody, I'm gonna score on this one.
Fail.
Out!
Oh!
Really, Lucci?
Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. What a failure block. Coming, coming. Hit. Launch. Fail.
Next goal. We're swapping.
Dominic, you go. Goalie. Dominic, you go. You go, cameraman.
Wait, so shooter goes to goalie. Goalie goes to camera.
And then I go to shooter.
Scored yet, right?
Yeah, no, next time it's score. We'll switch every 3 goals, but not for me.
Go.
Watch the windows and stuff, guys, all right?
Dominic.
Making a video!
I don't care.
Should I stop this video?
No.
Who's
Dominic.
in goal? Who's in goal?
I'm shooting.
Dominic. Hey, take it. Look, I'm shooting. And then you go to camera and then you shoot after when Robbie.
Okay. You're blocking.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I thought that was going wide.
And Robbie saves it.
I didn't even touch it.
I know.
That was just pure.
I'm not dumb, Robbie. Crap hole.
Shoot.
Shoot it already. And he misses. Fail. Luch, how did you shoot it all the way over there? What the heck? It's all the way over there. How do you get that all the way over there?
I helped that.
I know.
Go get it.
Harbor, harbor, harbor. And it's the goalie. He's out of the thing. Whee! Oh, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall. Pew! Better get back in the goal, he's gonna shoot. It's already been 4 minutes and 18 seconds.
Well, but I need to know that. Yeah, your finger. Watch this juicy Your finger was just in the whole thing.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Alright, so for Lucy it'll be 1 goal because he hasn't scored yet.
Yeah.
Oh! Did you get that?
No.
Oh!
No, do it again. There's still more. Wait, no, there's another one.
Got it.
No, not in that one. No, get it. Come on. Come on, kick it, Luch.
Just score. Score, loser. Ah!
I got that one. I got that. I keep getting that stuff. That was good.
That wasn't even good.
All right.
Switch.
Hubba, 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 hubba. Hubba, hubba, hubba. Oh! Alright, 2 more goals, 2 more. He is the worst goalkeeper ever. Oh! Home run! Whoa! High five. He's gone. Mexican guy gotta go poo.
You butt face, you butt!
Go get it.
Oh! They just got the camera wet.
Up, 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 up.
Get that. Right, get that.
Camera interference! Lord, anger.
Get that.
Yeah, no. Fail.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got you, fail. One more goal for Dominic because he's taking forever. I can't believe he scored 1 goal in like 2 seconds. Now he can't score anymore.
What?
Off the post.
No, bro. Like you scored, oh, you only scored 1, alright, Ronnie?
So? He started playing 5th grade. Oh! Oh yeah, Dominic! Sorry about that.
Oh, smash!
Alright, switch.
No, 1 more.
Fine, 1 more. Oh my god. You alright? Now I'm gonna try to hit Lucci. Go! Go!
In your little butt face.
Alright, switch.
That almost went over.
Switch.
How long is this gonna be?
This is gonna be the last shift. Lucci, take. No, you were trying to give it to me, but no. You almost hit me, fool.
Mother, get it!
Oh! You did exactly what your dad said not to. Oh! He has to go up, he has to climb up.